Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin technical analysis for today. So at the moment, we have not pulled back to any sort of structure that we're looking for. Remember, I gave you these levels yesterday. So they range between the bottom end here at 46,834 and at the higher end at 48,058. So I would say around 4,800 is the area we need to pay attention to. What we're looking for is pull back into the structure and then another move up. One thing that has happened today, and I'm going to take it from there, well, not so much today, but yesterday, I would say that trend line there is pretty well intact. So you'd expect a move to the downside. And the other thing to bear in mind, if I just delete that and just put a channel on top there, we should be able to line it up with some structure along the way, and I suppose that there looks like it's the best part. So you can see there's some interaction here, not much here, but then we did get a bit of a bounce here. So not a really strong channel that's formed. We'd obviously want to see pullback, but a pullback into the zone would definitely strengthen the channel as well. So I'm still a buyer, not looking to buy here at the moment. I'm going to have a look at this on the hour. It does look really interesting, those last 3-4 hour candles. We have got a crossover of the oscillators. I want to see the oscillators group to the downside before I buy. So I'm looking for this kind of structure here. So we'll wait for that. I'm anticipating it's going to be in that level, or alternatively, it's going to be somewhere along this trend line at the bottom, which also, I suppose, not really a trend line, but it's what I'm anticipating to be the bottom of the channel. It is also in the moving averages as well. So let's just quickly look at the hour, because that would give us an indication of what's happening here. I'm just going to delete the noise quickly, and let's just get a Fibonacci from the last leg down. I'm going to do this one first. So there is a little bit of a gap here. We're on the hour, so this was on Friday. We got a bit of a gap here, so, and that's at the 50% Fibonacci. So that's another one to watch out for. Let's just put a level, and I'll give that to you there. That is 4480. 4480. That doesn't sound right, does it? It's 48. I don't know where the 440 came in. So that's 48687. 48687. And the reason why I'm looking at that on the hour, I think I just want to do the 61.8, which also lines up with a level right there. So there's a 61.8 Fibonacci and the 50% Fibonacci. Delete that. So the reason why I'm looking at that at the moment is, quite frankly, it looks like we have a bit of a flag forming here. So there are two levels. So the first Fibonacci level will be from the bottom of this fractal up there, and then one I prefer is over here, and then there's even a bigger one from the bottom here. But that gap there is telling. That's exactly what they've tried to get back to this morning. So I would expect another attempt down here. So 48,687, 48,332. That's the first areas to watch. If we get through that, then you're going to look a little bit deeper. But that's my view. The oscillators in the hour are starting to group quite nicely. I obviously want to see it on the 4 hour before I start buying into this. So looking for some kind of structure here. But that pin bar is quite telling. Just delete that. That pin bar that's forming there is quite telling. It's just indicating that there are buyers coming in off this level. So it might actually be worthwhile buying into this area with a stop below. But there's no structure on the hour to do that at the moment. I'd want to see a higher low before we do that on the 1 hour chart. So pay attention. There may very well be a possibility to buy into this today. And I would be looking for 5,500 and then 60,000 as my next two levels. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.